1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, and now we're going to swivel to the other side, and 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and last one. 1, 2, 3. Down. 2, 2, 3. Down. 3, 2, 3. Down. 4, 2, 3. Down. 5, 2, 3. Down. 6, 2, 3. Down. 7, 2, 3. Down. 8, 2, 3. Down. 9, 2, 3. Down. And 10, 2, 3. Down. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Now we're going to swivel to the other side. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So back, 2, 3, rotate side, 2, 3, L up, 1, 2, 3, reach up, 2, 3, grab your left wrist, bend to the right, 1, 2, 3, back up to vertical and down and back, 1, 2, 3, and side, 1, 2, 3, L up, 1, 2, 3, reach up, 1, 2, 3, grab your right wrist, bend to the left, and 1, 2, 3, up and down and back, 1, 2, 3, side, 2, 3, and L up, 1, and 2, and 3, and now reach up, 2, 3, grab your left wrist, bend to the right, 1, 2, 3, reach up, down and back, 1, 2, 3, to the side, and 1, 2, 3, L up, and 1, 2, 3, reach it up, grab your, hold, 2, 3, grab your right wrist, bend to the left, 1, 2, 3, up and down and back, 1, 2, 3, to the side, and 1, 2, 3, L up, 1, 2, 3, reach it up, hold, 2, 3, grab your left wrist, bend to the right, 1, 2, 3, and up tall, and go to the left, 1, 2, 3, and up tall, and then let's fold all the way over, and let out any stress and tension from the day you may have. Shake it out while you're down there. And then roll yourself up, one vertebra at a time. Back up to standing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and swivel to the right, and overhand 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oops, I did too many. Sorry. Okay, now swivel. 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, and 9, and 10. Woo, 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 woo.